In this video, I'll show you how to set up Stripe for one-time payments step by step. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. After logging in, go to the main dashboard. Now find the Payments or Payment Links option. Stripe allows you to create payment links for one-time charges. Click Create Payment Link. Now select a product or create a new product. Enter the product or service name. Set the price for the one-time payment. Make sure the subscription option is not selected. Confirm that the payment type is a one-time payment. After that, click Create Link. Stripe will generate a payment link. Now you can share this link with your customers. When the customer opens the link, they can complete the one-time payment. You can track the payment inside the Stripe dashboard.